Okay, I'd like to take a few key measurements because when we go to rebuild this, there's a few measurements that would help. So first of all, to the top, it's about 32 inches, 31 inches, about 31 and a half to right here from the floor. To the playing surface, it would be about 28 inches. So those are two measurements. Now the side pockets, we know the full width because the slate went from edge to edge, which makes sense, and then the rubber overhung the slate. Now the side pockets, I'll go over there. It's about 2.5 inches. So the slate comes to about the end there, and then this is cut about 2.5 inches further for the full pocket. So you have the slate plus 2.5 inches, and then that gives you room for the pocket, the plastic pocket cover or liner. On the corners, if you measure from here over, it reaches in about 1.5 inches. So about 1.5 inches from this edge right here, 1.5 inches on each side. So I think that's all the measurements I need because the slate tells us the full length from here to there. Yeah, I think that's good. So those 3 key measurements I will need to keep in mind when I start designing the new table.